You are going to love the 2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, navigation system, leather shift knob, front bucket seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.